All right, Facebook Familia, we are here at Fox13 Studios, and we are going to introduce, let me go around, a beautiful black-mouthed cur dog by the name of Shadow. Now, Shadow is a 64-pound, 2-year-old dog that has a lot of energy, ton of energy. So we're looking for an active family, anybody who does a lot of hiking, running, anybody you know who might be interested in an active dog. Shadow here would be a great companion. And Shadow is an owner surrender. So unfortunately, the owner had to surrender Shadow. The owner had 8 dogs. And so he ended up realizing he had too many dogs and ended up surrendering Shadow to the shelter. So now Shadow needs a new home. But Shadow does well with other dogs in that he lived with 7 other dogs, so he was the 8th. He is a little reactive to stranger dogs, though. He tends to bark when he sees them and wants to pull towards them. But as you can see, he's very, what's the right word? The owner said that Shadow loves to be with the owner. You can see Shadow and I just met, and he is right on my, oh, there's this cute face. He's right on my, leaning up on my leg. He loves the companionship. I don't know if needy is the right word, but he's kind of needy as far as attention. According to the previous owner, he followed the owner everywhere, which is cute, but also plays a little on the rough side. So if you have a smaller dog, Shadow might not be the best companion for that dog, although he does well with dogs that he knows. So, on that note, if you know anybody who's looking for an active dog, a great companion, who loves to be with their companion, Shadow here would, I think, based off of what we know, make a wonderful dog to adopt. So, thanks again for watching, and yeah, if you're not doing anything at about 11:55, you can turn on Fox 13 and check out Shadow on TV. All right.